Unlock immersive sound anywhere by wirelessly connecting your Android phone to a Bluetooth speaker in just a few simple steps. First, grab your Android phone and navigate to your device's settings menu. You can usually find this by swiping down from the top of your screen to open the notification shade, and then tapping the gear icon, or by locating the Settings app in your app drawer. Once you're in Settings, look for the Connections or Connected Devices option. Tap on that, and you should see Bluetooth. Make sure the Bluetooth toggle is switched on. If it's off, simply tap it to enable it. Now, take your Bluetooth speaker. You'll need to put it into pairing mode. This is usually done by pressing and holding the Bluetooth or power button until an indicator light on the speaker starts flashing, often blue. Refer to your speaker's manual if you're unsure how to activate pairing mode. Head back to your Android phone. In the Bluetooth settings, your phone will start scanning for nearby devices. You should see a list of available devices. Find the name of your Bluetooth speaker in this list. It might take a moment to appear. Tap on the name of your Bluetooth speaker. When it appears in the list, your phone will then attempt to connect. You might see a prompt to pair or allow access to contacts. Depending on your phone and the speaker, confirm the pairing. Once successfully paired, the indicator light on your speaker will usually stop flashing and become solid, and your phone will show that it's connected now. You can play any audio from your Android phone, and it will come through your Bluetooth speaker with enhanced volume and clarity. Enjoy your new wireless audio freedom. Whether you're at home, outdoors, or on the go, your music is now more portable and enjoyable than ever before.